Yeah, what is going on, guys? So today I'm gonna show you how to change or set your PIN on RBC debit card. So if you still haven't activated your card, when you activate it and go to services and then manage what is it? Yo, what is going on, guys? So today I'm gonna show you how to change or set your PIN in RBC Visa card. So if you still haven't activated your card, when you go to services, manage debit card, you're gonna be asked to set a pin. Right there, you're gonna be asked to set a pin. So if you still haven't activated it, you go activate it. يا عمي مش عارف احكي لحظة. Good. Okay. Yo, what is going on, guys? So today I'm gonna show you how to set or change your RBC pin. So if you have already activated your card, Yo, what is going on, guys? Cut. Yo, what is going on, guys? So today I'm gonna show you how to change or set your RBC pin. So if you haven't already activated your card, right there by going to services, manage debit card, and you're gonna select activate card and just manually enter some information. Yeah, and from the information you're gonna be asked to choose a pin for your debit card, and from there you're gonna set a pin. If you have already activated your card and you still don't have a pin, you're gonna go back to services and then manage your debit card right there. After that, you're gonna see right there change pin. If it's unclickable, you can change your pin from there. So if you cannot click it or you don't know what's up, so you're gonna go and visit any RBC branch with 2 valid pieces of ID to reset your pin, because it's very secure and it's hard to change it. So if you cannot change it through the app, you're gonna go to the branch. So yeah, that's it.